In this video, I am going to tell you how I can connect my Odoo.com website to Search Console. So first of all, I need to log into my Odoo account. This is my website. So I just need to copy the link first of the website and then click on this configuration option and click on this settings option. After that, you can see in settings, this page will open up. In search bar, I need to type in SEO, and you can see Google search console option is there. Just tap on this click button, and here you need to enter code. So now you need to log into your Gmail, and you can see I am logged in here. So I need to type in and type search console. Click on this Google search console, click on start now. After that, herein you need to enter your domain prefix. You can enter, I just copied it, so this is entered, and click on continue. We click on this HTML option. Here you need to download this HTML file. Make sure to download this HTML file and save it, and save it this file. Now you need to open this file. After saving it, just open this file. So verification code is this Google, and just copy this Google verification site, and herein you need to go to Odoo, and here you need to click SEO. Here you need to enter the code and click on this save option. After that, you need to again go back here and click on this verify button. You can see ownership is verified now. So it is very easy. You need to download HTML file and get the code here and click on this done option. So I hope friends, now you will be able to verify on Search Console. In case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button. Also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.